To get started with the Yelp extension, first, type your search. I will search for restaurants. Now press on the extension. Then press Extract Search Results. As you can see, here is the results we extracted. To extract more results, press Add to Export List. Then go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. You can do this as many times as you want. To export this, simply press on the extension. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here you will find all the extracted results. Let's try one more function. Let's press on this restaurant. Now press on the extension. Let's extract the business reviews. As you can see, we extracted the reviews. To add more, simply press Add to Export List, and then go to the next page. Again, you can do this as many times as you want. To export this, press on the extension, then press Export. Now let's export it as HTML. As you can see, here is all the data we extracted.